Learn how to make money online with these tips. If you would like to make money online like so many people all over the world, then you will want to read good tips to get you started. Each day people throughout the world look for different ways to cash in online, and now you can join those same people in pursuit of internet riches. Well, you probably won't get rich, but the following video has many great tips to help you get started making a little extra money online. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Now that you read the above video, you are aware of all the money-making possibilities that exist in the online world. The only thing left to do now is to put these tips into motion, and see how you can reap the benefits of online money. There are many consumers today who love to shop online, and there is no reason why you can't get in on the action. Student loan,